Everyday English Essentials. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll cover essential greetings and introductions to help you start conversations with confidence. Let's get started. Section 1, Basic Greetings. Let's begin with some basic greetings that you can use in any casual or formal setting.
Hello, how are you today?
Hello, I'm good. How are you?
Hello is the most common and versatile greeting in English. You can use it anytime and with anyone.
Hi Sarah. How's it going?
Hi. Did you have a good weekend?
It was pretty relaxing, thank you. What about you?
It was great. Thank you. You can use hi in slightly less formal greeting situations, suitable for friends, family, or colleagues. Hey is another informal and friendly way to greet someone you know well. For example,
Hey, Anna. Hey, John. Good to see you. Good morning. Good morning. I use this greeting before noon to greet people politely. For example, good morning. How was your weekend? Or, good morning everyone. Let's get started with today's meeting. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I use it in the afternoon until around 5 p.m. For example, good afternoon. How can I help you? Good afternoon, it's nice to meet you.
Good evening. Good evening. This is a polite greeting used after 5 p.m. and in the evening. For example, good evening, welcome to the event. Or, good evening, how was your day?
Now, let's move on to example conversations to see how this works in real-life scenarios.
Hi Alex, how's it going?
Hey, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good.
Good morning. Hi Anna.
Hi Anna, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good morning, Mrs. Sophia. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thank you for asking.
Hello, my name is Sarah. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Brian. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I'm Emily. Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too, Emily.
Good afternoon, everybody. Let's get started with today's agenda.
Good afternoon. I'm ready to begin.
Let's get started.
Good evening, Sarah. How was your day?
Good evening, it was productive, thank you. How about yours?
Mine was great, thanks for asking.
Hey, it's been a while. How are you?
Hey, I'm good, just busy with work. What about you?
Same here. It's nice to catch up.
Good morning Mom. Did you sleep okay?
Morning, sweetie. I did, thank you. How about you?
I slept well too, thanks.
Now that you've learned how to greet people confidently, let's move on to the next crucial step in communication, learning how to introduce yourself effectively. When meeting someone for the first time, it's important to introduce yourself clearly and confidently. A good introduction sets the tone for a positive interaction.
My name is Anna. Nice to meet you.
This is the most standard and simple way to introduce yourself.
I am Liam. I'm an engineer. Nice to meet you.
This is another way to introduce yourself, often followed by additional information like your profession, role, or hobby. Nice to meet you is a polite way to express happiness when meeting someone for the first time, while pleased to meet you is a more formal variation. Next, let people know a bit about your background by sharing your hometown or city, your job, and your hobbies. This will add a personal touch to your introduction.
Sharing your hometown or city, you can use, I'm from. For example, I'm from India.
If you want to introduce your profession, to let others know what you do, use phrase, I work as. For example, I work as a police officer.
Sharing hobbies or interests is an excellent way to build connections and discover shared interests with others. For instance, I enjoy shopping and fashion trends.
Hello, my name is Sarah. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Dominic. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Dominic. Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago. How about you?
I'm from Seattle. What do you do?
I work as an engineer. And you?
I'm a teacher.
Hello, I'm Jennifer. Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too, Jennifer. I am Emily. Are you here for the conference?
Yes, I am. I'm presenting tomorrow.
That's great. What's your presentation about?
It's about sustainable design in urban areas. What about you?
I'm attending as a guest. I'm an architect.
Now that we've learned how to introduce ourselves, the next important step is to practice and understand how to ask someone else for their name in a polite and natural way. To start a conversation, you can ask someone's name using these phrases.
The most direct way to ask for someone's name is "What is your name?" It's suitable for casual or neutral settings.
May I know your name? This is a more polite version, often used in formal or professional environments.
Could you please tell me your name? Another courteous way to ask for a name, typically used when aiming to sound polite and respectful.
And you are? A casual and friendly way to ask for someone's name in informal situations.
Sorry, I didn't catch your name. This phrase is useful when you didn't hear someone's name clearly or forgot it.
We finished learning questions about names. Let's take a look at the following example conversations.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hello. Please deliver these packages to my house.
Sure, please wait a moment.
Of course.
May I know your name, please?
My name is Thomas. Please deliver them tomorrow morning.
Certainly. We will deliver on time.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi there, little one. What are you doing here?
Hello. I'm waiting for my friend John. We're going to school together today.
I'm Susan, John's mother. What's your name?
My name is Scarlett.
Let me call John for you. It's nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you too.
Hello.
Hello, I'd like to speak with Ms. Caroline.
Yes, this is Caroline speaking.
Hi, Ms. Caroline. This is Thomas. I'd like to register my daughter, Scarlett, for the fashion class. When does the class start?
The class will begin in the middle of next month. I'll go ahead and register your daughter. Sorry, I didn't catch her name clearly.
Her name is Scarlett.
Got it. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you and your daughter soon.
Thank you, Ms. Caroline. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Hello, everyone. My name is Steve. Thank you for coming to today's tour at the museum. Could you please introduce yourselves?
Hi, I'm John.
I'm Scarlett. And I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you all. Let's get started, shall we?
Yes.
Finally, let's take a moment to recap today's lesson. Alex, tell me, what did you learn today, please?
We've explored essential skills, including basic greetings, introducing yourself, and asking for someone's name.
By practicing these phrases regularly, you'll gain the confidence to start conversations in English effortlessly and make a great first impression. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, share, and subscribe to Everyday English Essentials for more lessons. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like next. See you in the next video.